Hello everyone! Dr. Poppy's invited us to a special fancy dress party at the zoo today. We all have to dress up as zoo animals. I promised to help my friends get dressed up for the party. Here they come now. Ryan, Florence, Celia, Andy, Rick, Tony, Tilly, Maisie, and Bobby. Now my friends are here, it's time to get them into their animal costumes for the party. Let's put the truck wash into dressing up mode. Do you know which button is the dressing up button? That's right, it's the green hanger and bow. Brilliant! Now the truck wash is a dressing up machine filled with fantastic costumes. It's time to send the vehicles through. In goes Ryan the Wrecking Ball crane. He's going to make you laugh. When you see him all dressed up as a super tall giraffe. Up next is Florence the forklift. What will she dress as today? She's a baby elephant, all wrinkly and grey. Celia the cement mixer is clean and sprayed and white. She's a stunning zebra, like a horse, but striped. Andy the animal ambulance had better stay away from Ryan. We wouldn't want our new giraffe being chased by a fearsome lion. Rick the reliable road roller looks like the next one to go. A couple of horns, a coat of paint. What a scary looking rhino! Here comes Tony the taxi. What's going on in there? A pair of ears and some white spray paint makes a cuddly panda bear. Now it's tow truck Tilly's turn, with her clothes from Halloween. She makes a brilliant scorpion. Those claws look really mean. In goes Maisie the mower. Add a new head that's fake. Stretch her out. Add a tongue. She makes a brilliant snake. And now it's Bobby the bus. Into the costume provider. And out he comes with 8 new legs. A big, huge, hairy spider. Can you guess what I'm dressed up as? I'm orange, with black stripes and sharp teeth. That's right, I'm a tiger. Rah! Everyone looks fantastic, but we've forgotten to dress the mechanicals. Mechanicals! Stop messing around and drive into the dressing up machine. In go the mechanicals. Each one disappears. And out pop cheeky monkeys with long tails and giant ears. Brilliant! Now we're all ready. Let's head over to the zoo. Ryan the giraffe, Florence the baby elephant, Celia the zebra, Andy the lion, Rick the rhino, Tony the panda, Tilly the scorpion, Bobby the spider, Maisie the snake, and the monkey mechanicals.
Here are all the guests. Hello, everyone.
What a great party! Thanks for joining us today. We'll see you again soon. Bye! Hello everyone! It's the day of the Truck Cup Final. I hope you're all as excited as we are. It's a five-a-side match between the construction trucks and the regular trucks, and I'm the referee. The construction trucks are going to play in yellow, so they're already the right colour. But the other trucks are all different colours. So for today's game, they are all getting painted blue. Everyone looks great, but there's something missing. I know. Football players usually have a number on their shirt. Let's use even numbers for the yellow team and odd numbers for the blue team. I wonder if Maisie and Sid have finished getting the pitch ready. Wow, the pitch looks fantastic. Well done, Maisie. Well done, Sid. I've got the football, and here come the teams. Is everyone ready to begin? 3, 2, 1. The yellow team has the ball. Danny passes it to Rick. Oh no! Rick's flattened the ball. I hope the mechanicals can pump it back up again. Well done, mechanicals. That's a yellow card for Rick. The blue team get the ball. Max has the ball. He's nearly at the yellow team's goal. Oh no, they have George as their goalkeeper. He's enormous. He fills up the goal. Can Max get past George? Yes! He's done it! Max scores a goal! 1-0 to the blue team. Trevor's got the ball. He's slow and steady, but oh no! Ryan has taken the ball. Look at him go! Brilliant dribbling. It's like the ball is glued to his tracks. Hang on a moment. He's attached the ball to his chain. That's not fair. That's a yellow card for Ryan. The blue team get the ball again. Rebecca's got the ball. She passes to Fiona. Hey, Fiona's using her flashing lights to get the yellow team to move out of the way. That's not allowed. Yellow card for Fiona. The yellow team get the ball. It's Danny on the ball now. He passes it to Florence. It's all down to Florence now. Can she score for the yellows? She weaves past Fiona. She weaves past Max. Vicky's in goal. But she can't stop Florence. It's a goal for the yellow team. That's 1 goal each. And that's the final whistle. Both teams have scored a goal, so it's a draw. What a fantastic game. It was a draw, so everyone's a winner. They can all share the trophy. Should we keep it at the garage? Everyone looks so happy. Well, almost everyone. Maisie and Sid don't look very happy. I think they've seen what a mess the grass is in after all that driving around. Sorry. Don't worry, Maisie and Sid. The grass will soon grow back. Thanks for joining us for the Truck Cup final today. I hope you had as much fun as we did. See you again soon. Bye. There's a new vehicle in town today. Her name's Evie. She's clean and quiet and speedy. Evie's driven a long way today, so she wants to stop off at Gecko's garage for a rest. Oh dear, what's happened to Evie? She was zooming along, and now she's slowed right down. She must be very tired. You'd better get over to Gecko's garage, Evie. Quickly. Slowly. Hello, Evie. You seem very slow and sluggish. I think you might need refueling. Drive round to our fuel pumps and we'll soon get you sorted out. Right now, let's get you filled up with fuel. Oh, where's your fuel cap? That's very strange. I can't see it anywhere. How can we fill up your fuel tank if there's nowhere to put the fuel in? Something seems wrong here. Head into the garage and let's have a good look at you. Let's all see what we can learn as we make Evie turn. Evie looks like a normal car, but where does her fuel go? And no exhaust pipe either. What's wrong? I just don't know. There's something that I'm missing. A nagging little doubt. I'll wake up the mechanicals to check her engine out. Go, go, mechanicals! What's going on? It's empty. Evie, where's your engine? How can you drive around without an engine? Oh, Evie. Oh, Evie. Evie. Electric vehicle. Of course. Evie is an electric car. Instead of a petrol or diesel engine to power the car, Evie has electric motors that drive her wheels and batteries hidden under her seats, which store all of the electricity she needs. That's why she's so quiet. She doesn't have an exhaust pipe belching out nasty fumes, or a fuel tank, because she fills up with electricity instead. Evie, you need to be plugged in to charge up. We have 2 regular fuel pumps, but no electric car charging point. We'll have to install one. I'll get Florence the forklift to bring the parts over, and we can build one. Well done, mechanicals. That's looking great. The electric charging point is connected to the solar panels on the garage roof that Chelsea the cherry picker helped us to install. Here's the charging cable. Now, where on Evie do we plug it in? Brilliant! Evie has a charging socket hidden in her nose. So now Evie can fill up with clean electricity using energy from the sun. The charging station tells us how full of electricity Evie is. Look at those numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. She's full up. Fantastic. Thanks for visiting us today, Evie. Have a safe journey. Call in and see us whenever you need a top-up. And we'll see you again soon too. Bye! Hello everyone! We've all been invited to a Halloween party at the construction site. The mechanicals are blowing up some spooky coloured balloons for us to take to the party. Midnight black, slime green, and pumpkin orange. The trucks are going to help me make a spooky Halloween cake for the party. Here come the ingredients. Dylan is carrying the flour. Sid has the cocoa powder and the sugar. Trevor has the butter and the eggs, fresh from the farm. Celia's here to mix all of the ingredients together in her rotating drum. This is going to be an enormous cake. Now the ingredients have been poured into the giant cake tin, we need to cook the cake. Let's set the truck wash to party mode. Can you remember which button is the party button? That's right. It's the red balloon. Party mode turns the truck wash into a giant cake baking and decorating machine. Let's bake that cake. First, the cake is cooked. Look at it rise. Now our Halloween cake needs some orange icing. And a face cut into it. And finally, the cake needs a giant candle inside to make the face light up. Look! Fantastic! It's a perfect pumpkin Halloween cake. Now it's time to get my truck friends into their spooky costumes for the party. Let's put the truck wash into Halloween mode. Can you remember which button is the Halloween button? That's right. It's the orange pumpkin. First in, our new truck, Tilly. Her costume's a real zinger. She makes a brilliant scorpion. Just watch out for her stinger. Next up is our friend Trevor. Let's take it to the next level. Just add a tail and some horns. What a cheeky devil. And next into the big machine, those mechanicals couldn't wait to put on their funny pumpkin heads. I think they all look great. Here comes Danny and Maisie to get changed into their spooky costumes. Danny the Digger goes in looking fine. But out comes a scary monster, made by Dr. Frankenstein. The last one in is Maisie. Will her costume make us shaky? Oh dear, she may have a forked tongue, but she doesn't look very snaky. Maisie wants to be a scary snake, but she's far too short and stout. Can you think of any way that we could stretch her out? That's right. We could press the stretch button. Can you remember which button is the stretch button? Yes, it's the blue arrows. Maisie's back in the machine. It makes her longer, just like this. Out comes a long and scary snake. Just listen to her hiss. Now we've got our costumes on, it's nearly party time. But maybe we should take something for our other truck friends to wear. We've got these traffic cone party hats from my birthday, but they don't look very scary. I've got an idea. We'll need to press the respray button. Can you remember which button is the respray button? That's right. It's the purple spray can. Along the belt go the orange cones to get a quick respray. And now they're black like witches' hats. I think we're ready. Hooray! We're all driving over to the construction site now. See you at the party. Tilly the Scorpion, Trevor the Devil, Maisie the Snake, Danny the Monster, what a great party! Happy Halloween, everyone! I'll see you again soon! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Happy Halloween, everyone! Hello, everyone! Leo the Limo's coming over to the garage today. He's a super long, stretched out car who takes people to special places in style. Oh no! Look out, Leo! Oh dear. Leo's got a scratch down his side now. And he's covered in mud. That's not a good look. You'd better hurry over to the garage, Leo, so we can help you get cleaned and repaired. Oh dear. That puddle must be deeper than it looks. Leo's wheel is stuck. I'd call for Helen the helicopter, but there's too many trees and not enough room for her to land. I think it's time to call on our newest Gecko's garage helper, Tilly the tow truck. Go, go, Tilly! Tilly the tow truck has a big hook that she can use to rescue vehicles in trouble. Tilly's hook is perfect for pulling Leo out of that deep puddle. Thank you, Tilly. Now you can both drive to the garage. Thanks again for your help, Tilly. You're a great new member of our team. Oh dear, look at the state of you, Leo. Leo's supposed to be driving me and the mechanicals to the premiere of the new Star Trek movie. But we can't turn up with him looking like that. We'd better get you fixed up, Leo. Drive through the truck wash so that we can clean that mud away. There, now the mud's gone. Let's get you into the garage so that we can take a good look at you. Let's all see what we can learn as we make Leo turn. Wow, that is a nasty scratch. And your sunglasses are broken too. Don't worry, Leo. The mechanicals will soon have you looking as good as new. Go, go, mechanicals! That really is an awful scratch. But the mechanicals have paint to match. A quick respray. New glasses too. And there you are, as good as new. Fantastic. Leo looks like a super cool dude again. Well done, mechanicals. It's time to drive over to the movie premiere. Jump in, mechanicals. Red, orange and yellow mechanicals. Green, blue and purple mechanicals. Black, white and grey mechanicals. Brown mechanical and pink mechanical. Hang on a minute. It looks like the mechanicals have invited all of their friends and family to join us. Goodness me, they're all coming out of the woodwork. Leo might be a stretch limo, but he can't possibly carry all these extra mechanicals to the premiere. He's going to need some help. Here come some helpers now. Maisie the mower, Trevor the tractor, Max the monster truck, Dylan the dump truck, and Bobby the bus. I'm still not sure there's going to be room for all these extra mechanicals. Let's measure you. Let's measure the vehicles to see how long they are. We can use the crates to help us. Maisie the mower is the smallest. She's 1 crate long. Next is Trevor the tractor. 2 crates long. The middle truck is Max the monster truck. 3 crates long. Even bigger is Dylan the dump truck. 4 crates long. The longest vehicle is Bobby the bus. 5 crates long. To make more room for more mechanicals, I think we're going to have to turn you all into stretch trucks. Let's press the stretch button. The first one in is little Maisie. Ha ha, this machine is really crazy. It pushes and pulls her, fast then slower. Welcome, Maisie, the stretch mower. Here comes Trevor from the farm. Don't worry, Trev, no need for alarm. Now he really has the X factor. Introducing Trevor, the stretch tractor. Next in line is our friend Max, following in Trevor's tracks. Everyone will be awestruck by Max, the stretch monster truck. Dylan is the next one through, ready to join the stretched out crew. A twist, a pull, a nip, a tuck. It's Dylan, the stretch dumper truck. Bobby is the last through the machine. It stretches him like a string bean. It's Bobby XL+++. It's Super Long Bobby, the stretch bus. Let's see how long our vehicle friends are now. Maisie the mower is 6 crates long. Trevor the tractor, 7 crates long. Max the monster truck, 8 crates long. Dylan the dump truck is 9 crates long. And last but definitely not least, Bobby the bus is 10 crates long. They're enormous. That's everyone on board. Let's head over to the movie premiere. Wow, this is amazing! Thank you to Leo and my other truck friends for driving us to the movie in style. I'm sorry they can't join us all in the cinema. They're too long to fit in the seats. Hang on a minute. This isn't a regular movie theatre. It's a drive-in. That means everyone can watch the film, even my truck friends. Hooray! I'll see you again soon. Bye! Hello everyone! We've got a new vehicle to meet today. Maisie the mower is cutting the long grass along the sides of the road with her giant cutters. She cuts the grass nice and short so that vehicles can see where they're going and stay safe. Maisie leaves the rest of the grass and wild flowers to grow tall so that bees and butterflies have plenty of nectar to eat. That's looking great, Maisie. Now that Maisie has cut the grass verges, she's here at the stadium with an important job to do. It's the Truck Cup final soon, so the vehicles are going to be playing football on this pitch. That's soccer for all you lovely American viewers. The vehicles are over at the garage getting painted up, ready to play in the Truck Cup final. But here at the stadium, the football pitch is very overgrown. It needs mowing right away so that the grass is short enough to play on. The pitch is enormous. There's lots of grass to cut. Maisie's mowing the pitch in lovely straight lines. Oh dear, I think I spoke too soon. Maisie's wobbling about, and the lines are all wavy. I think something's wrong with Maisie's steering. Oh no, Now she's cutting shapes into the grass. Triangle. Circle. Square. Rectangle. Pentagon. Hexagon. And star. That's no good at all. We need to get Maisie to the garage, but she can't drive in a straight line for long enough to get there. This looks like a job for Helen the helicopter. Go, go, Helen! Okay, Maisie, let's get you back to Gecko's garage. Garage roof open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need. Let's see what we can learn as we make Maisie turn. Your blades and your wheels seem okay. It looks like it's just your steering column that's broken. I'll get the mechanicals to fix you right away. Go, go, mechanicals! It's hard to get on with the mowing when you can't choose where you are going. You need to mow in nice straight lines in order to be finished on time. The mechanicals have fixed your steering. The football crowds will soon be cheering. Get back to the stadium and fast. Then you can cut that grass. Now that Maisie's been repaired, she's making short work of that grass. It's looking great. And following her is Sid the skid loader with his line painting attachment. He's repainting the pitch markings onto the lovely short grass. Well done, Maisie. Well done, Sid. Now Maisie and Sid have finished working on the pitch. Everything is nearly ready for the Truck Cup final. Join us next time to watch the match and see which team will win the trophy. Bye!